வணக்கம். இந்த யோகா பயிற்சி மிகவும் எளிமையான முறையில் சொல்லிக் கொடுக்கப்படுகிறது. இது நம் நீண்ட தூரம் நடக்கவோ நமக்கு மிகவும் கால்களுக்கு மிகவும் சக்தியை அளிக்கக்கூடிய இந்த யோகா பயிற்சி நம் கை கால்கள் அசைவு மூலம் சிறந்த சிம்பிள் எக்ஸசைஸ் தான். அதே தான் யோகா. அதனால் you just learn it, whatever he teaches, do it nicely.
Let's start with prayer.
All the best.
Om Asato ma Sadgamaya Tamaso ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityo ma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Janga Shakti Vikasaka strengthen and shape the ties. It also helps to increase the stamina to walk for long distance, and we will be able to see the benefit in short duration of time after practicing 1 or 2 weeks. Necessary precautions should be taken for the people who have undergone knee surgery, artificial knee replacement, rheumatic arthritis, ankle pain, etc. Janga Shakti Vikasaka 2A is basically a squatting exercise. We need to breathe in when we are up and breathe out when we are down. We can do as per our capacity 10 to 20 times. Janga Shakti Vikasaka 2B, we need to breathe in and spreading the knees apart. Bend your knees but without sitting on your heels. While in this position, hold your breath as long as you can. While raising, exhale slowly and breathe normally to begin with. If it is difficult to hold your breath, breathe normally. Beginners can start practicing this for 5 times. Gradually they can increase it to 10 to 20 times. Janu Shakti Vikasaka is good for blood circulation in the knees, and it is good for football players as well. Raise your foot forward with a jerk of the knee and then raise it backward, and repeat while keeping the upper part of your body in the same erect position. After doing this exercise with one leg, repeat with other. While taking your leg back, the heel must touch the buttock. Padamula Shakti Vikasaka strengthen the calf muscles and soles of the feet. This also has a partial benefits of rope jumping as well. We need to stand on our toes, raise and lower our body in a spring-like motion. Keep your heels and toes together throughout the exercise. Practice this exercise for around 10 to 20 times. In this exercise, keep your hands along with the thighs, balance on the toes, jump up as high as you can, coming down on the toes. Use toes to maximum effect. Can practice it for 10 to 25 times. Ulfapada Prishtapada Talasakti Vikasaka is basically an ankle rotation. It relieves rheumatism of the ankle and strengthens the toes. Right leg ankle rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise. Can practice 10 to 20 times. Left leg ankle rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise. We can even sit in the chair and practice this exercise as well. Next week we will see Stula Vyayama, that is macro circulation practices. Thank you.